Today we're looking at what is probably the most simplest LED nightlight I've ever seen. Now this one is from Dollar Tree, and it's even got a UL listing. Not sure that means much in the world of cheap Chinese electronics, but if you twist this the right way, it just comes off, and it's plastic. It looks like it's glass. Too bad it's not. But we got this clear dome here, and then I've already done the fun of breaking this apart, and you wiggle it open and you pull the board out and you drop stuff. But if you look, there's not very many components on this board. We got a diode here, got a big 10K resistor here, and 3 LEDs and the prongs. And they've made this exceptionally simple, and I don't know if it's a good idea, but what they've done is they've got it configured in the diode bridge, and they've got 3 LEDs doing double duty as diodes and light sources. And also, this 10K resistor, as somewhat probably expected, gets quite hot. I had it running for 5 minutes and it reached 130 degrees. I have no idea what the temperature rating on these resistors are. I assume this is a 1 watt, and it specifies it draws 0.9 watts as a whole, so it's technically within range. But I'm also tempted to just plug it in because it's an always on deal and see if it just doesn't catch fire. I might have to leave it outside.